Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like.
Hey beautiful people, good morning. So today is Sunday. I want to quickly get ready for church because it's almost 8. I woke up at 7 today. Like, I was an early bed today, so I want to quickly do something to eat. Actually, I want to do soft porridge, then prepare and go to church. So yeah, just a quick update of the day. Anyway, hope you're right, hope you are good. Happy Sunday.
Hope you know what you want. What you want?
I have my mask on because it's been a while of not me taking care of my skin, so I'm just giving it a little bit of a pamper session. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on, get ready for church because I have only 45 minutes left to eat and rush to church. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on, do a soft porridge for a breakfast, then go to church.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
I am running late. So I'm gonna be using these Avon Infinity. Oh, these things, these ants, and my now my ants. So I'm gonna be using this Avon Infinity. Perfume. So at Red Chat, I am wearing these roached orange skirt. Obviously it's spring, so I'm doing a little bit of a color from Shein with this t-shirt, silk or satin, somewhere in between. It's white, and also from Shein. Please do excuse this ants dinning these days, and I don't know what's in it because dinning. I need to find this thing. My ants, cause yo. So also I'm wearing heels. These heels are from my sister's wardrobe and they are from Mr. Price. Then pairing it with this brown bag from China City. So yeah, oh, we're looking cute. The necklace, it's from Truett. Yeah, we're looking cute.
I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. All my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
So now I just finished packing, waiting for Nkanta to pick us up, and also Owandi is on her way from Alex to here, wearing my PJs because like I want something that is very much comfy. So yeah, just an update. Hellos. Hellos. I don't know having a motor date. Hellos. You might let him go with this up. Hey guys, welcome to yet another day of the vlog. I am currently at work. As you can see, I'm vlogging in my uniform. I'm trying to hide everything behind me because, like, you know, the rules. But yeah, I'm so very much tired. It's about to be my lunchtime. I think in 15 minutes it will be my lunchtime, so I will quickly go to Southgate. I mean Northgate. I'm used to Southgate to a point where I'll just say Southgate even when it's not necessary, to get something to eat, because I didn't cook, obviously due to load shedding and like tiredness. So I just wanted to introduce the day, if I can say it like that. So yeah, I will take you along because I'm just starting my day late. I'm so tired. I've had a busy day, and just that at the moment I'm alone. So yeah, let's go to Northgate.
Some me time.
You know what you want.
In the meantime,
Just start doing what I want.
some me time.
You know what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I'd up myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.